Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I was at Walmart the other day. It's about a week before Christmas. And I found this new rolling toolbox made by Hart. Hart is a new brand of tools that Walmart is going to start selling. I don't know how it's going to compete with their Hyper Tough brand, but it is what it is. This is Hart. It's a 3-piece rolling tool cart. Pretty lightweight when it's empty. No issues with that. Here's how it comes apart. You just unsnap this side, unsnap this side. It just lifts right off. Bottom is just an empty box like this. Pretty nice. Not real thick. Not made for really heavy duty stuff. Here's the second part. It has a pull-out tackle box style compartment here. Small parts organizer. There we go. Maybe you can see that close. So that's pretty cool. Just slips right in like this. There you go. Then we have the top section. Open it up. Has the pull-out tray, and here's the inside. Load this back up. Lock that back. This does set on there. There's no way you can snap it wrong. So put that back together. And on the top we have a handle that pulls out. So that's pretty cool. To fold up the handle, you have to pull this bar this way, and it folds back up. Or if it's light enough, you can carry it with one hand. Let me get these locked back down here. There we go. Okay, on the back it has the wheel itself is plastic, but the tire is a thin rubber. Now, in my opinion, I like the rubber better than the plastic. Number one, for vibration reasons. Number two, it rolls much smoother. And it's more slip resistant if it's rubber. So, there we go. Not too bad. Here's the back of it. Let me show you the bottom on the inside. You can see how there's not an axle, but the wheels are molded with a screw into the side right here. I don't know if you can see that, but there we go. Anyway, not really made for heavy duty items. This would be great for maybe a little girl. Put a Barbie doll collection in. If you want to go to a friend's house. I do have a use I'm going to use it for. But before I show you that, let's give you the overall dimensions. With them both combined, put together, just over 24.5 inches tall. 16.5 inches wide and 1 foot deep. The top portion, top to bottom, outside, 11.5. Bottom portion, from the floor to the top, just over 12 inches. So it's not a bad size, really. Like I said, be great for a young child. Put their a certain type toy collection in. Maybe a little boy might want to put his G.I. Joes or Legos or something like that in here. I didn't show you this. On the top it has 2 compartments. Not too bad. So, let me show you what I'm going to use this for. Let me put this aside. Some of you know that I collect knives and I resell hunting knives, pocket knives, just whatever. This is an example of one of them, custom made. I know it's going to be hard to see that one. Let me get a little bit closer. There we go. Anyway, custom made knives. And just regular every duty cheap knives that I have accumulated throughout time. These are just cheaper knives. I'm just going to put my cheaper knives in the bottom right here. All different kind of folding knives, pocket knives, just whatever. Got this one at a yard sale. I think I paid $3 for it. Anyway, I'm going to put the cheaper knives, folding knives down in this bottom section. In the top section, I'm going to put more of the, I'm going to say in my opinion, the collector style knives, such as this. Let me show you another one I have in here. Here we go. Here's another one of these knives I'm going to put. Anyway, just an idea I had. Now, I don't know if it's going to be real sturdy rolling, but for something like this, I'm just going to mainly keep it in my closet, pull it out every so often when I have one sold or when I just want to polish them up. Anyway, here's the tray that goes back in. Anyway, I'm going to put my knife, part of my knife collection in this. I'm going to see how that works out. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully it doesn't get too heavy and bust the screws out of the plastic siding. Either way, this was only $25, $30 at Walmart. I thought I'd give it a shot. Like I said earlier, it'd be great for your kids or even your wife. Put some of her sewing supplies in, maybe knitting supplies. I don't think you can beat the price. Check it out. Next time you go to Walmart, check out these Hart Rolling Tool boxes. I don't think you can really go wrong with $30. My name is Carl. I do appreciate you being here. Okay, folks, I got an update on this. I filled it up with my knives, and the knives were much too heavy for this to roll properly. So, like I said earlier, this would be great for the kids to put their toy collection in, Legos, dolls, you know, that kind of stuff. So, I still think for the price, $25, $30, you can't beat it. But just be very wary of what you're going to put in it. My name is Carl. I do appreciate you being here.